Hello. It's been a while since I've produced any content for my channel. I just wanted to let subscribers know that I've not gone anywhere. I intend to produce more content for my channel, but this last summer I just haven't felt motivated to do it lately. That doesn't mean I'm giving up or I'm just going to let it slide. I'm of the mind where if I'm focusing on something else, that's where I'm going to focus. If it means not focusing on the YouTube channel for a short amount of time, or you know, for me that's a short amount of time. A few months is a short amount of time. Then I'm just not going to focus there. So that's what it is. And if I don't feel really motivated to produce content, what am I going to produce? So so that's that. I did check, and I saw some comments, and one comment that somebody left made me want to say something. So that's what I'm going to say here. Someone was talking about how they were like a devout Christian type, and you'll know who you are if you see this. So they mentioned that they found Neville's teachings and it was liberating, right? After years of traditional scripture reading, leaving them empty and without answers. Okay, fine. The part that got me was where you wanted to let other people know about Neville, and those people are still stuck in that traditionalist story, and it can be frustrating. But what I'm here to tell you is that you don't have to be frustrated by that. You don't have to feel the need to share Neville with other people. I mean, you can, if you can sense they're really open to it, or they're craving that, but there's no need to go proselytizing Neville. And that's the thing. A lot of times that can be your old story, especially if you come from a Christian background or certain Christian denominations that love to proselytize. They love to spread the word and evangelize. Those habits, that's part of your old story, is constantly sharing that, right? Sharing the good news, finding converts, that sort of thing, missionary type work. So that's your old story, and that's very easy to, or I should say it's hard to maybe change that, right? Or to come into your own where you don't need to do that anymore. And also you need to realize that those other people in your story are you pushed out. Everyone's you pushed out. Everyone is you pushed out. So, that alone is liberating when you realize that you don't need, the same thing, and I find myself doing this sometimes. Sometimes like for example, not even this subject, on social media especially, you see somebody, don't get me wrong, I still get into arguments over things because for whatever reason it's satisfying on some level. But I always keep in mind that I don't need to do it. And a lot of times I start typing a response to something, and then I start deleting, and I let it go. And I say, it's not worth it. Who are you arguing with? You're arguing with yourself. You're arguing with yourself. It's just not worth it. So just remember that. That's the old man, the old story. Let it go. See you later.